name's Ruth Hayden. I'm from Unite the Union. We're here tonight outside the Glee Club because Unite has just secured trade union recognition at the Glee Club for our members, so that we can collectively bargain on their behalf in terms of pay, in terms of holidays, in terms of hours of work. And we're here tonight because as a result of the trade union activity in this club, the management have been going after our union members, so they've been disciplining our union members, they've demoted one of our union activists, and we're here tonight to say this needs to stop. The public coming into the Glee Club need to know how the management are behaving, and we want to work with the management, our members work here, they've worked here for a number of years, they enjoy working here, but we need to have a grown-up conversation with this management. They need to stop targeting our members, they need to start respecting the fact that all of our members want the union to negotiate on their behalf in terms of pay, in terms of their conditions, and the management here need to respect that. They've spent 6 months fighting the trade union recognition at Glee Club. That's now been awarded by a court, and now they need to work with us to ensure that our members are treated properly, treated respectfully, and are able to work safely in the Glee Club here, and that's why we're here tonight.
My name's John Williams. I'm a member of Unite Hospitality and a delegate to the Cardiff Trades Council. We're at the Cardiff Comedy Club in the Cardiff Bay today. They've got over 80% union membership. The courts have ruled in favour of the union to try to force the employer to recognise the union, but there's a vicious and nasty union busting campaign that's taking place. The most active members of the union are now not being invited to staff meetings. There was a bogus disciplinary with a kitchen manager, and after they threatened to bring in a rep in, they threw the disciplinary out. But a couple of weeks ago, there was a bogus demotion where a young worker has now lost 10% of pay during a cost of living crisis. And the Cardiff Glee Club are trying to ignore the union, they're trying to brush it under the carpet. I think as trade unionists, our message should be that neither staff nor customers benefit from overworked and underpaid workers there. So we want the Cardiff Glee Club to get around the table, recognise the union, and to listen to their concerns in that campaign for better pay and conditions. So it's really amazing that we have the support of Unite the Union and the trade union movement in here in South Wales. So victory to the Cardiff Glee Club workers.
Hi, we're here today because one of the staff has been demoted for being involved in a trade union activity. We're here to show Glee that they need to treat their staff better and that they can have a collective voice without having any repercussions of that. As you can see, we've got a lot of people involved, and we're not taking this, so they need to reinstate that worker back to her job.